Have you always wanted to crochet but gave up every time or didn't know where to start? Introducing Woobles, the easy, fun way to learn to crochet. Woobles is the only crochet starter kit that promises you'll learn to crochet successfully. Each starter kit has everything you need to create your own Wooble, including our easy-peasy yarn that's custom-made for beginners, and a library of short, easy-to-follow instructional videos. Your Wooble even comes pre-started, making it impossible to fail. Woobles is a great way to exercise your mind while learning a new skill. You get a finished piece to show off to your friends and family. You'll make new friends and get tips from our huge online community of crocheters, and you'll have a new lifelong hobby to enjoy. Over 50,000 people have learned to crochet with Woobles.
The Woobles starter kit makes it foolproof.
I'm so excited to have a healthy and productive new hobby.
I'm so impressed with myself. I never thought that I'd be able to do this, and I'm so happy that Woobles was able to teach me something as amazing as crocheting.
Go for it. You will not be sorry.
I'm so excited to start crocheting more things. You have no idea.
Don't waste your time trying to learn by yourself. Learn the easy, foolproof way with Woobles.